evening, everyone. My name is Judy, and I will be giving you a brief overview of the project that we as team number 15 worked on during the school year. The purpose of our project, the Lincoln Center Arts and Recreation Pavilion, is to free teenagers from the constricted learning environments, aka schools, and provide them the space where they could express their creativity and their vigor. To accommodate this purpose, we decided to have a well-lit, open space interior design to incorporate some imaginative spaces like art studios and a gymnasium for sports. Um, as for the landscape, we want to have an aquatic theme to the building, and we want to have a water feature on the building to create a more relaxing, comfortable atmosphere, but at the same time, a very exciting landscape to look at. And most importantly, we aim to design a well-sustained building that can reduce and reuse as much energy as possible. And thank you for joining us tonight. I hope you enjoyed our presentation. And throughout presentation, I hope you could feel one of our visions for this project, one of exuberance, energy, and excitement. And now I'll hand off to Priyanka, who will talk about the site location.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Priyanka, and I'll be discussing the site location and contact. The image on the top of the slide shows where our site location is. As you can see, it's located adjacent to the Avery Fisher Hall in Lincoln Center. The image below is a drawing of our site plan. Next slide. There are several reasons as to why we decided to construct our building in this particular location. First of all, our site is located at the heart of Manhattan, thus providing an easy access to public transportation. The various buildings that are surrounding this site provides a lively atmosphere, giving the public a feel of the city. The aquatic and landscape features provide a great attraction for tourists, giving them a place to relax and take part in recreational activities. Now I pass it on to Lazar, who will be discussing the architecture part of this project.
Last summer, me and my friend Kevin did the corn shell unit of the project. I'm going to tell you a few of the features in it. We have a double height gym at the basement with locker rooms. We have a lobby auditorium with it's also double height. Then a cafe down there. The library has a skylight in the atrium, computer terminals, and on the top floor there's also an artistic studio. You can see there's it's a street mechanical room location underneath the stairs, which we had to work around in designing this there. It's a permanent fixture of the Lincoln Center. So next slide. Here is a conception of what it will look like, or what it would look like. It's cantilever design. You can see the vertical transportation, the elevators, prominently placed with camera view. So here is Kevin to finish up the corn shell segment.
I'm Kevin here to talk about the corn shell features of our building. We wanted an eye-catching building that would stand out but not be too distracting to the historical buildings around there, like Juilliard, all the film centers around Lincoln Center. We wanted open spaces and natural light to keep energy costs really low, because the building must be sustainable, and easy and efficient circulation throughout the building. See, our building has a lot of glass so that heat in during winter, and as I said, a lot of open spaces. And here is